Good morning, everybody. I have another penny shopping trip to share with y'all. So, if you're interested in some of these penny items that I've been out there finding, then just keep watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. If you liked what you saw, it would mean the world to me, and it's a free, easy way that you can help out my channel. Thanks so much. Country roads, take me to Dollar General, where I belong. Pen shopping. And this is a pistachio jello I just found and didn't show you the front of, so I'm sorry for that. Alright, y'all, I was shocked to still see these there. I showed y'all these when they were 25 cents, and that little cardboard box stayed there with all that stuff in it, so I just went back and picked up all those puff balls I left last time. All right, y'all, so I noticed they were using these Halloween candy pails, and I considered buying them for a penny, but I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave these here. And the funny thing is, I found a big empty green dot tub, like those huge tubs that you could put like ice in and drinks, whatever. I tried to buy it, and she was like, oh no, I use this to put decorations in. So I felt so stupid, and I gave it back to her. I was like, I'm so sorry. All right, so I decided to bend down. Found a tablecloth. Y'all, if you see those gold mushrooms, some of them are purple dot, but some of them are actually the Christmas ones. So if you see these, I would definitely check them because these were mixed in with just other new purple dot items on a tiered table. But they're Christmas. Yeah. Are they for real trying to rip off Calvin Klein? C. Klein. C. Klein. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. Dollar General, penny shopping. Country roads, take me to Dollar General. Y'all, I could not believe that I was at the store on a Wednesday and I found all of these holiday pet toys. And the crazy thing is, checking out, the manager got kind of ugly with me and was just like, where did you find these? My daughter and I looked this morning and we couldn't find them anywhere. And I was just like, they were just down the pet toy aisle. And she was like, really? Because I've been looking all morning and I couldn't find them. And I was like, check the cameras. I was like, all I did was walk down the aisle and saw them. So I don't. Man, I understand how some of you are feeling sometimes when you have these stories about them being not so nice to you. But if you've truly done nothing wrong, you can do what I did and be like, I found them right there. That's where they were. So if they want to check the cameras, and they will see that all I did was just walk up and find them. There wasn't anything hidden. It was all right there in the open. So I don't know how they missed it, but I just don't think it's very nice to be mean to the customer when all they did was walk in the store and knew what they were looking for. You know what I mean? Oh well, it is what it is. Kill 'em with kindness, y'all. Kill 'em with kindness. And it's kind of funny because in the same store, just right below that shelf, there was this little PDQ of some dog toys. All I did was look through it and I found a Christmas tree dog toy. So, I mean, I don't know how anyone missed that, but maybe they didn't know what they were looking for. You know what I mean? If you don't know what you're looking for, it's kind of hard to find it, right? Don't forget to look up on those sky shelves, y'all, because I found a whole set of all of this play food right there on top of the soda. So you never know where in the store this stuff's gonna be. I can't believe that I found all those Star Wars Christmas coloring books just right there. It's wild, y'all. I was so excited when I looked up and I saw all of those Nerf orange bottles. I knew immediately what they were. Those are our penny Nerf guns. So if you see those orange bottles like that, pull it down and scan. Should be 0.00 when it comes up for the price, and that means you're going to pay a penny at checkout. And here is your UPC for that. And y'all, remember when I left these here a few months ago? They're still there, still sitting at a penny, but I still have a garage full of sun shields that I've been giving away to everybody. So, that looks like a green dot. It is a green dot. Alright, guys, so I got to this store and I was just really disheartened and let down because I saw this state that this store was left in. There's just never any reason for the store or the shelf to look like this when we are going through things. It's so easy just to pick something up and put it right back where you got it and keep it neat and organized. This is why penny shoppers have a bad name. This is prime example of why they cringe when we walk in that door. And that's because a lot of us maybe weren't taught the best manners growing up, or maybe they are just very excited and they don't realize what they're doing is wrong. Either way, please don't make a mess in the stores, guys. Just don't. So do not sleep on those dollar aisles, y'all. Go up and down every aisle of the store. You never know where this stuff's going to be. A lot of these stocking stuffer items and some other dollar aisle items get put on this aisle even though they're not core dollar items. They're seasonal dollar items. And a lot of times they get forgotten about. So check that dollar aisle, especially if it's messy like this one is. You will most likely find some little hidden gems. These are the stocking stuffer little phone stands and little, actually, yeah, they're both the phone stands. But they also have those little rings that you can hold on to as well. and I was just finding them everywhere. And I did show those with the UPC and everything in a prior video before they went to a penny. So if you need that UPC, it is there, but you shouldn't need the UPC to find that. It's not going to help you find it now. Just if you see that big starburst, the gold starburst with the pink clover, scan it. And I just found all of those penny books. I'm telling y'all, sometimes they just toss the stuff down the dollar aisle if they don't really have an end cap or wherever to display it.
I guess they put them here and they forgot. Here's another one. What? There's a case. Oh, that's broken.
I really kept finding so much stuff in that dollar aisle. The more I looked, the more I found. I could have probably spent another half hour down that aisle finding more stuff, but I had to go. Alright, y'all, that is it for this penny shopping video. I'm planning on heading out today, but I do need to organize and film some hauls for you guys, because a lot of times when I am penny shopping, I forget to grab the camera and film, so there's lots of things that I get that I don't even show you guys because I'm a dingus and I forget to film. So, I will catch y'all in the next one, and until then, I hope you have a fantastic day and happy penny shopping. Bye, guys.